Hello friends, welcome to Prof. Nabila Maths class. In this video, we are going to continue evaluating logarithms questions, and I have 3 questions on the board for us to go through. That is, evaluate A. Log 0.25 base 2, B. Log 8 base 0.25, C. Log 9 over 4 base 2 over 3. To evaluate each of these log expressions, the first step is take each log expression and equate to a variable. That is, if I take A, which is log 0.25 base 2, then I have to equate it to a variable. I will now take this log away, and by taking the log away, 0.25 will come down, and this base 2 will switch to the right hand side, and x will now be the exponent of 2. That is 2 exponent x. From here, 0.25 is the same thing as 1 over 4, which is equal to 2 exponent x. And 1 over 4 is the same thing as 1 over 2 exponent 2. You know that 2 squared is 4. And this will be equal to 2 exponent x. I will now take the reciprocal of 1 over 2 exponent 2. And by taking its reciprocal, it will now be 2 exponent minus 2. It means I'm sending it to the top, and the power will change to negative since it is positive here. And this will be equal to 2 exponent x. From indices, if the bases are the same, it means that the exponents too are also the same. So if 2 is equal to 2, then it means that x will be equal to minus 2. Therefore, log 0.25 base 2 will be equal to minus 2. Let's take B. B, we have log 8, 0.25 is the base. Then I'll equate everything to a variable. Let's say this is equal to y. By taking the log away, 8 will come down, and 0.25, which is the base, will switch to the right hand side, and y will now be the exponent of that. That will be 0.25 exponent y. And now I can say that 8 will be equals to 0.25 is the same thing as 1 over 4, all exponent y. And from here, I can now say that 8 is the same thing as 2 exponent 3. And 1 over 4 is the same thing as 1 over 2 exponent 2, all exponent y. To continue, I have 2 exponent 3 is equal to this 1 over 2 square. I will take its reciprocal. And taking its reciprocal, I will now have 2 exponent minus 2. I'm sending it to the top, and the power is positive. And if you send it to the top, it will now change to be negative. And I'll bring the exponent y. To continue, I'll have 2 exponent 3 is equal to 2 exponent minus 2 times y is minus 2y. From indices, if the bases are the same, it means that the exponent too are also the same. So meaning, I will say minus 2y is equal to 3. I will now solve for y by dividing both sides by the coefficient of y here, which is negative 2. I have negative 2y over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. Sorry, I'm dividing both sides by negative 2. Sorry. Then here, negative 2 will take away negative 2. Then y will be equal to negative 3 over 2. I can now conclude by saying that log 8, 0.25 is the same as negative 3 over 2. I will now take the last one, which is C. See, I have log of 9 over 4, and the base is 2 over 3. And this should be equal to a variable. Let's call it m. And taking the log away, 9 over 4 will come down. And this base, 2 over 3, will switch to the right-hand side. And m will now be the index of that. And from here, this 9 over 4 is the same thing as 3 over 2 all square, because 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. And here, I'll maintain 2 over 3 all exponent m. And you see that here, I have 3 over 2, and the power is positive 2 here. But I want this one to look like this, 2 over 3, meaning I'll have to send 2 top and send 3 down. I'm taking their reciprocal. So here will be 2 over 3. And since I'm changing their positions, this particular power will now be negative. And this will be minus 2, which is equal to 2 over 3 all exponent m. And you can now see that this side, 2 over 3 is the base. This side, 2 over 3 is the base. So if the bases are the same, it means that the exponents too are also the same. And m will be equal to minus 2. Therefore, log 9 over 4 base 2 over 3 is equal to minus 2. And this is how we solve questions in this nature. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time of watching, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye bye.